Hi guys, welcome to my channel and today we are on lead code solving problem flood fill. So the problem statement is an image is represented by a 2D array of integers, each integer representing the pixel value of the image from 0 to 65535. Given a coordinate source row and source column representing the starting pixel row and column of the flood fill, a pixel value new color flood fill the image. To perform a flood fill, consider the starting pixel plus any pixel connected four directionally to the starting pixel of the same color as the starting pixel plus any pixel connected to directionally to those pixel also with the same color as the starting pixel, and so on. Replace the color of all aforementioned pixel with a new color. So we are given a 2D array and we are given a source row and source column. So the value in the source row and source column will be our current color, and we need to replace all that current color with the new color that we are given in a given 2D array. So at source row 1 and the source column 1, it is 0 1, that is this. This is the source row, sorry, this is the source row and column is also one, so this is the this is the value corresponding to that is one. So we need to replace all the one values with the new color, that is 2. So the resultant 2D array will be like this. So we need to start from source row and source column and then move in every direction, in left, right, down and up. So and then replace all the ones which is connected to uh, this row and source row and column to that particular new color. So if a particular pixel is not connected to our source row and source column, irrespective of whether the value is same or not, that need to be preserved, so it does not have to change to 2. That's why we have this one remaining here, because it is not connected in any with any path to this source row and source column. So let us start our problem. So first of all, we will just check whether the given image of source row and source column, if it is equals to our given new color. And if it is, then we will just return the image, because we don't have to change anything. Let us create a function named as fill, that will do our task recursively, in which we will just give our image, the source row, the source column, also the current value. So the current value of the color, so image of source row and image of source column, and also our new color. Let us define that function also here. So it will be void fill. This will be of vector, uh, since we will be changing the image. uh, so we will take it as reference, and then int, let us name it as I, the row, and the column as Also, let us name the current color as current color, and the new color, let it be remain as this one only. We have declared, and then let us define the function also. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to expand the color in all the directions. So at first, what we will do, we will change the current row and column that we are parsing. So image of I and j, let us make it to the new color, and then let us check. Let us put a check statement. First of all, that the I these values I and j, these are inside. Okay, so we need to put this check first before. So let us check whether the I and j value lies within our given 2D array range or not. So we will check image dot size. I should be less than that. So it should be less than this, and I should be greater than or equals to 0 also, and image, our row, our column should be less than of that row size, particular row size. So, and it should be also greater than or equals to 0. A should be greater than or equals to 0. Also, our image of I and j should be equals to new color, current color. Then we will assign the image I of j to new color, and we will call this function fill in all the four directions. So image will be same, I plus 1 j, and then current color, and then new color. So we will call this in the four directions. The value of coordinates will slightly differ. It will be I plus 1, I minus 1, then j plus 1 and j minus 1. So that will recursively go in all the four directions and check whether check these conditions and change the color respectively, and then again do the same thing. So once we have completed this fill, then we need to return here the new image. So let us run our code. We missed semicolon here. So we missed here the this parenthesis. That's why it is giving us an error. Let us put the parenthesis, then run code. So our solution has been accepted. Let us submit also. So if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a better solution or comment, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.